Mark Magsayo is set to go down against Fergal McCrory, and Mark Magsayo is having a record 28-0. He's 5'6", 67.5 inches of reach. He defeated Jorge Mata, Brian Mercado, Eduardo Ramirez, Isaac Avidar, lost to Ray Vargas and Brandon Figueroa, but after that he's in good shape. And Fergal McCrory having a record 17-1-0. This fighter out of Northern Ireland participates in the co-main event, and he only suffered one loss in his career to Lamont Roach, but he defeated Kenan Carbajal, Carlos Carlson, Nikolai Buzolin, Eduardo Hayes, Eli Mesquita, many other high-level opponents. I have a feeling that Mark Magsayo is going to give us a good fight, and I believe this is going to be a close one. But from what I've seen in his recent outings, I assume Mark Magsayo has what it takes to win this fight. So I believe this is going to be a close fight, but I would give slight advantage to Mark Magsayo.